In the previous video, we reviewed the 10 essentials that you should bring on every outing, no matter what season. This video, we shall be reviewing the 3 winter essentials. They are the beacon, the shovel, and the probe. Let's start with the Avalanche Beacon. The Avalanche Beacon should be worn next to your base layer under your clothing. It should not be worn in your pockets. Avalanche victims have been found with their pockets torn off their bodies. It is important to make sure that you have fresh or fully charged batteries in your beacon. Now, to make sure that you have your beacon fully charged, you need to turn it on first. Turn the beacon around, and then you'll see this switch here. To turn it off, you have it to the left. Now let's turn it on and flip it around. It'll tell us 99. 99% means that the batteries are fully charged. And it also said TR, which means it's in transmit mode, and you're ready to go. But make sure you always have someone check to make sure your beacon is working properly. In the event of an emergency, you have to be able to access and deploy your probe and shovel quickly. That's why it's important to know where they are in your pack. Let's take a look. Once you have located a buried avalanche victim with your avalanche beacon, it's time to deploy your Avalanche Probe. Avalanche probes are very easy to deploy. You simply grab onto the top part and throw the rest. Once it's been thrown, pull on the toggle here and it'll lock into place. Let's give it a try. Besides their importance in avalanche search and rescue, probes are also good for snowpack studies. As you can see, there's measurements all the way up the pole. And they also make pretty good flagpoles. Now let's look at the snow shovel. Here we have an assembled snow shovel. This is the second item that you'll be pulling out once you've found your victim, your avalanche victim. Snow shovels are also important for digging test pits for snow study. So when you're heading into the backcountry, you have to bring the 10 essentials regardless of season. And if it's the winter, remember to bring the 3 winter essentials. Remember, play safe and be prepared.